Okay, so difference between different method used for compaction in lab, that is a standard Proctor test. First method is the standard Proctor method. Second is the Indian standard lightweight method. Second is the third is the second is the Indian standard lightweight method, and third is the modified Proctor test. And on the basis of modified in India, Indian standard heavy compaction test. So there are four methods for compaction test. So difference between these four is the on the basis of compaction characteristic. Compaction characteristic. Second is column for standard Proctor test. Voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Standard Proctor and Indian standard lightweight is similar to standard Proctor. So write third column Indian standard lightweight compaction test. Next column is modified standard. Modify standard Proctor. And next is the Indian standard heavy. Indian standard heavyweight compaction. Okay. So first characteristic of the test is volume of mold. Volume of mold. So volume of mold means cylindrical mold that is used for compaction test. So for a standard compaction test, volume of mold is 944 cc. Okay, 944 cc. For Indian standard 1000 cc. For modified standard Proctor test, it is also 944 cc. For Indian standard heavy compaction, it is also 1000 cc. Okay, this is the volume of cylindrical mold that is used for compaction test. Second characteristic is the number of layer. Number of layer. So for a standard Proctor test, number of layer used is 3. So Indian standard lightweight is based on a standard. So here also layer is taken 3. Modified standard layer is the 5. So Indian standard heavy compaction based on modified. So here also number of layer taken 5. Okay. Next is the number of blows on each layer by hammer. So number of blows each layer. So for a standard Proctor, 25 blows. Here also 25 blows. Here also 25. Here also 25. Okay. Now weight of hammer. Weight of hammer. Weight of hammer used here for 2.5 2.49 approximately 2.5 kg. So I can write here 2.5 kg. Okay, 2.5 kg for a standard Proctor. Here also 2.6 kg. for Indian standard lightweight compaction. For modified 4.5 kg. 4.5 kg. So for Indian standard heavy compaction, 4.9 kg hammer used. Free fall height means from which height hammer fall. So free fall height of hammer. So for a standard Proctor 304 mm. For Indian light compaction 310 mm. Here for modified 457 mm, and for heavy compaction 450 mm. So these are the some difference between lab method, standard Indian light method, and modified standard Proctor test, and also Indian standard heavy weight compaction. So what is the process of method in lab? So for Indian standard lightweight compaction, mold size is the 1000 cc. Mold size is 1000 cc. So soil sample is taken 3 kg. 3 kg of air dried. Okay. This type of soil, air dried sample of 3 kg, and which is passing through 4.75 mm sieve. Okay. 4.75 mm sieve. From 4.75 mm sieve passage soil, that is, it is fine soil. Okay. And it is mixed thoroughly with water in a small quantity. So air is also air mixed soil, air dried soil, that means air also, and water is also mixed thoroughly. Water is also mixed in small quantity, and the mixture is covered with wet cloth and left for 5 to 30 minutes. Okay. After mix the water in some quantity, it covered with wet cloth and leave it for 30 minutes. And then the quantity of water to be added, in first trial is kept 10%, 4 to 10%. Okay. How much percentage water is add? 4 to 10% of total weight of soil. Okay. And their process is a start. Process is the mold is filled. Mold size is the 1000 cc, and mold is filled in 3 layer, and each layer number of blows is given 25 by 2.6 kg of hammer. Okay. And hammer fall from which height? 310 mm. Hammer fall from this height. Okay. So 3 layer of soil is filled. 3 layer of soil is filled in mold, and each layer is number of blows 25 by 2.6 kg of hammer. So 3 or 4 times this process is done by different water percentage add. Water percentage, as if first time add 4%, next time add 6%, next time add 10%. Okay. And this sample is weight of sample is also checked by every water mix method, and draw a graph between water content and density, dry density. Okay. So water content, how much water content is mixed? That is 4 to 10%. Okay. 3 times 4 to 10%. One time 4%, second time 6%, third time 10%. And also calculate density corresponding water content, and draw a graph between density and water content. So we get this type of a graph. Graph is something this type. So here is the density rho d, and x-axis represent water content, that is in percentage water content. So graph is something this type. Graph is something this type, and this point is OMC. OMC means optimum moisture content. Okay, and this is the highest point of this graph crest. So here is the rho d maximum. Rho d maximum means rho d maximum at which water content? At OMC, optimum moisture content. At optimum moisture content, we get highest value of density. Highest value of density. And compaction, in compaction we achieve degree of denseness. Degree of denseness. So compaction curve is used to find the water content of soil, which gives maximum dry density, or also called maximum compactness. Maximum compactness at this water content, and also we can say maximum denseness. Maximum density. So density value is itna and water content value is the OMC. And also calculate energy. How much energy provide to soil sample during test, during lab. So how we calculate energy? So energy E can be calculated for a standard Proctor test, for Indian standard lightweight compaction. So weight of hammer is weight of hammer for Indian standard lightweight compaction
2.6 kg, ma'am.
2.6 kg. So kg convert into uh, weight, that is Newton. So 9.81 into total height free
मैम
fall.
ये MGH फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर रहे हैं
हाँ,
पोटेंशियल.
MGH. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
for energy calculation. So height is 310 mm. So that is change in meter, 0.31 meter. And number of blows, that is 25 25 into
Yes, ma'am.
how much layer?
25.
Into 3 layer. Okay, so calculate this value. 2.6 into 9.8 into 0.31 into 25 into 3 layer, divided by volume. Volume is 1000 cc. So volume, energy per unit volume. So calculate this value of E. Energy per unit volume. Energy per, this value gives energy per unit volume. In which method? In Indian standard light compaction method. What is the value? Indian standard lightweight compaction test. Energy per unit volume. How much? कितना आ रहा है?
59.3 into 10 to the power 4.
59.3 into 10 to the power 4.
4 ma'am. Yes ma'am.
ओके, सो 10 टू द पावर 4 को चेंज कर लो. 50 मतलब कितना आ रहा? दिस इज इन जूल, सो किलो जूल में कन्वर्ट कर लो. दिस एनर्जी इन जूल, all unit in SI. So this is in joule. So change in kilojoule, 10 to the power 4. So 59.3 na. So 593. So value is 59.3 into 10 to the power 4 joule. So this can be changed into kilojoule. 593 kilojoule per meter cube. Okay, per meter cube. Energy per unit volume. This is clear. This value is clear. सबको इतना
Yes,
value आ
ma'am.
रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
सबका आ रहा है ये value same. So energy used for Indian standard compaction test is 593 kilojoule per meter cube. Means at this value, if mold size is 1000, then soil is compacted and we get maximum dry density, and that is the purpose of compaction. What is the purpose of compaction? Why we done compaction? So purpose of compaction is to achieve maximum dry density, to achieve stability, to achieve maximum denseness. So if 100 meter cube sample is used, then we have to provide 593 kilojoule energy, then we get maximum dry density. Okay, so similarly अगर हमें कोई और भी हाईएस्ट अमाउंट हमें पता है, मोल्ड का साइज हमें पता है, तो उस बेसिस पे हम लोग एनर्जी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं कि हम लोग कितना एनर्जी उस पे प्रोवाइड करेंगे ताकि हमें मैक्सिमम ड्राई डेंसिटी हम लोग अचीव कर पाए. क्लियर है? Similarly condition we can also calculate for Indian standard heavy compaction. Energy used for Indian standard heavy compaction. So how much value for Indian standard heavy compaction? In heavy compaction, weight of hammer is 4 point, how much? Weight of hammer is
4.9 kg.
see the table,
4.9 kg.
4.9 kg, and number of blows is 25, number of layer is 5. Okay, and mold size is also 1000. So calculate for heavy compaction energy per unit volume energy per unit volume for Indian standard heavy compaction test. So weight of hammer is 4.9, number of layer is okay, that 4.9 is also converted into Newton, 9.81 into fall H, value of H is 450. So 415 meter, 0.45 meter into mgh, and now how much times? So 25 times into 5 layered. Okay, and also volume is 1000 cc. So here 10 to the power minus 6. Now calculate this value.
Ma'am, 1622 kilojoule.
1622.
Yes ma'am.
सबका इतना आ रहा है? 1622 किलो जूल और जूल.
मैम
मैम
किलोजूल
किलोजूल
किलोजूल पर मीटर।
यस बोलो।
की मैम किलोजूल में 2703.88 आ रहा।
हाँ मैम, उतना ही आएगा।
2703.88
0.88
kilo joule per meter cube. Okay, means
yes ma'am.
2703 kilojoule per meter cube. This is the energy applied in which case? Indian standard heavy compaction test. Okay, this value is correct. So if we calculate ratio of heavy compaction and light compaction test, energy ratio, so also we can write EH by EL. So calculate EH by EL, heavy compaction energy for heavy compaction to energy for light compaction. What is the value? EH by EL, EH equal to 2703 kilojoule and EL equal to 593. So what is the value?
4.55.
4.55. Okay, 4.55. This is the ratio of EH and EL. So this energy calculation method is clear to everyone. On this formula, 1 or 2 question in GATE. So this formula is very important. This formula is based on simple MGH for energy, potential energy, based on potential energy. So after performing the test for the soil specimen, its bulk density is found. How we calculate bulk density? Bulk density mass by volume. So mass is the mass of soil in mold and volume is the volume of soil in mold. Mass of soil in mold by volume of soil in mold. So how much mass? Mass is 3 kg approx, and whatever use taken, and volume is fixed, that is 1000 cc. Volume is fixed, that is 1000 cc. Okay. So dry density of soil under test is further calculated with another formula. Formula is already discussed in first chapter. We can also write rho d equal to rho t. What is rho t? Have you remembered this formula? That is bulk density. Bulk density is what? Total density. है ना? Rho t is the total density, or we can also say bulk density, and rho d is the dry density. And also by definition of compaction at dry density, compaction in a process in which maximum dry density achieved. Okay, so by this formula also we calculate dry density of soil sample. Water content is also known, that is 4 to 10%, and rho t is also calculated by mass by volume. ठीक है? So this compaction curve is used to find water content of soil, which gives maximum dry density. from compaction curve, this is the compaction curve. From this curve, we also find at which amount of water content dry density is maximum. Okay. So compaction curve is used to find water content at the which water content of soil which gives maximum dry density or maximum degree maximum denseness, maximum degree of denseness. Okay, this point is clear, everyone. So next is the zero air void line. So graph is compaction graph is, this is percentage water content and here is the rho d. We get graph something this type. Here is the maximum dry density, here is the at OMC we get maximum dry density. So here a parallel line is drawn at something water content here, and this line is called zero air void line. Zero air void line or 100% saturation line. 100% saturation line. Is this possible? Is this possible after compaction air is 0 or saturation is 100%? Is this possible or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
So zero air void line show the relationship between water content and dry density of compacted soil and constant percentage of air void in terms of air void line. And this is drawn by equation. This line give a equation that is rho d equal to 1 minus Na. This formula is also seen earlier. Rho W 1 plus Wg. So the theoretical maximum compaction of soil at a given water content, okay, at the given water content corresponding to zero air void condition, means percentage of air is the 0. But this is only theoretical, not practically possible. So here at water W, Na is 0. And what is Na? Na is the percentage air content. So theoretically it is defined as the at water content W, Na is 0. And at this condition also saturation is 100%. This is a theoretical condition is given by any scientist. And the line showing this line, zero air void line, show the relationship between water content and dry density of compacted soil at percentage at zero at percentage air content 0, that is Na 0. So this is simply, this line only simply represent a theoretical concept at which at water content W, percentage air content is 0 and soil is in 100% saturation. But practically this is not possible. And from zero air void line, we get a different formula, and the formula is rho d equal to G rho W by 1 plus W. So rho D, this formula also we can write gamma D equal to G gamma W 1 plus E. So this formula is valid for zero air void line, but actually zero air void line is not possible. So this formula is used for maximum dry density, for getting dry density. So this line showing the relationship between water content and dry density of a compacted soil. Okay, compacted soil, and also percentage degree of saturation in terms at saturation line. So these lines represent a saturation line, 100% saturation line at this water content. So there are three conditions. At water content W, dry density is maximum, and as well as 100% saturation, and also percentage air void is 0. So these all condition is only theoretically possible, practically not possible. So we can also write at 0% air lines, air void line equal to 100% saturation line. 100% saturation line. Okay. So we can
Yes,
also
ma'am.
write for 0% air 0% air void formula is rho D. By this here, this condition, for this condition we used percentage air formula, and if given 100% saturation line, so use saturation formula. So for percentage 0% air void line, we can write rho D equal to 1 minus Na, where Na represent percentage air, into G rho W into 1 plus Wg. And for 100% saturation line, we have formula G rho W into 1 plus Wg. So if we put here Na equal to 0, so this both formula is equal. Okay, here is the
Yes,
for
ma'am.
100% saturation, here is the Na equal to 0. This is clear. So 0% air void line equal to 100% saturation line. This is valid. So now also a formula also, AC plus S equal to 1. AC means air content plus saturation equal to 1. ठीक है? If 0% air void line equal to 100% saturation line, means if X% air void equal to not 100 minus X% saturation line, 100 minus X% saturation line. So if S equal to 0.85, S means what? S means saturation. Then AC air content equal to 1 minus 0.85 equal to 0.15, means 15%. So this formula is also we can use for mathematical calculation, for mathematical relation, but simply we have to remember at 0 air void line, saturation is considered 100%. Okay, at 0 air void line, saturation considered 100%. This is clear to everyone.
Yes,
So
yes,
there
ma'am.
are there are some simple formulas in compaction, not lengthy, or also we have used earlier this formula, either rho T equal to G gamma W 1 plus E, or either different one for percentage air void. 1 minus NH formula, and also AC plus S equal to 1. This formula is also known. So by this formula we can solve different types of question related compaction. Okay, any doubt? So there are 4 types of lab test for compaction. First is the standard Proctor. Second is the modified standard. On basis of standard and modified in India, Indian standard test, Indian standard lightweight test, and Indian standard heavyweight compaction test is there. And generally जो हम लोग टेस्ट करते हैं लैब में, दैट इज इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड हैवी कॉम्पैक्शन, सॉरी लाइट कॉम्पैक्शन टेस्ट. And in light compaction, mold size is how much? 1000 cc. Okay, and how we calculate energy per unit volume? So basic formula by mgh. Okay, clear to everyone? These all formulas and concept is clear to everyone? Yes.
मैम अभी बताएं 0% एयरलाइन इज इक्वल टू 100% सैचुरेशन लाइन, लेकिन वही एक्स के कंडीशन में वो इक्वल नहीं हो रहा था, वो क्लियर नहीं हुआ मैम.